The smartphone accessory brand PITAKA has recently collaborated with the South Korean designer fashion brand MUN, and they have launched some of the special edition cases for iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max, iPhone Air and Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And today we got the iPhone 17 Pro Max PITAKA MÜNN Aramid fiber cases with us. So we're going to have a look on their design, build quality, specs, pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. The PITAKA MÜNN special edition cases come in two color options, and officially these are called Flora and Grid series because both of these color options come in tartan pattern. So here we got the Forest Dawn color version that shows the different shades of green in forest, and the other color option is the Cloud Dusk that shows the warm orange color of the sunset, and it is perfect for the orange color variant of the iPhone 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. So if you have a look on the retail box, you can see that we got the picture of the devices for which these cases are available. In our case, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the color option, the Aramid fiber fabric used is shown in the same color, and also the background of the text. Here we got the PITAKA branding, not for sale, because these are the special review units. On the back we got some of the information. I'm not sure whether it's Korean or Mandarin, but it's not English for sure. And once again we got some of the specs of these PITAKA MÜNN cases, that it comes with MagSafe compatibility. It weighs just 24 grams. It is 1.18 mm in thickness. Here it is showing that we got the PITA technology, that is a capacitive button that you will find on some of the PITAKA smartphone cases, and here I think it is showing that it is scratch resistant. And the same goes with the back of the box of Forest Dawn color variant as well. And here on the side we got the PITAKA X MÜNN collaboration branding, and the PITAKA branding is embossed as well. And here it says that it is for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got this text, carry lighter, live now, and here at the bottom we got the PITAKA branding. So here we got a user manual. Here is the spacer installation guide for the PITA capacitive button if it is not working perfectly. And here is the PITAKA MÜNN iPhone 17 Pro Max Forest Dawn case. And once again we got an additional spacer for the PITA capacitive button. So here is our PITAKA MÜNN iPhone 17 Pro Max Aramid fiber case. As I mentioned earlier, here we got the tartan pattern that looks quite unique and beautiful. Here we got the PITAKA branding, the flower petal. Here is the camera ring. As you can see, it is quite elevated to give the protection to the camera module of iPhone 17 Pro Max. Here once again we got the flower petals in two different shapes. So this is the flower petal shape for the Forest Dawn model, and this is the flower petal design for the Cloud Dusk. On the inside we got plenty of text, and here we got the magnet for the MagSafe module. Once again PITAKA X MÜNN collaboration branding, some text that this case is not for sale, no commercial use because this is a special review unit. And here we got information that this is Edge series case, collaboration collection MÜNN, designed by PITAKA, and this design is copyrighted as well. Here once again you can see we got very nice pattern. If you move your finger, it feels so good. Same goes with the outer layer as well. It's a bit embossed, so it's going to provide very solid grip while holding the device in hand when you use this case on it. The case is really thin. If you have a look from this angle, you can see how thin and slim it is, and it is pretty light as well. And since this is made of Aramid fiber, it's going to provide solid protection to your smartphone without adding any bulk to it. It is scratch resistant as well, so you do not need to worry about damage to the case or your smartphone once you use them together. On this side we got the cutout for the power button. The top is fully covered, so we got full protection here, and here at the bottom we got the cutouts for the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, etc. And then on this side we got the cutouts for the volume keys, and here is the capacitive Pita tab button for the camera control. So unlike the majority of the smartphone cases where you will find this part bare and open to access the camera control button, here we got the capacitive button to provide a seamless viewing experience and user experience as well. Since this case comes with MagSafe compatibility, you can see that this MagSafe power bank is charging my iPhone 17 Pro Max without facing any issue, and the magnet of the case is pretty strong. As you can see, even if I am shaking it violently, the MagSafe power bank is not falling out of the body of the case. So if you're planning to buy a nice unique designer case for your iPhone 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, iPhone Air or Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then the PITAKA MÜNN special edition cases are one of the best options for you. If you're interested in buying one, I have shared the link in the description of this video, and if you enjoyed watching it, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.